Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
97 top winners, 42 here. Thank and neglect betting times open for you. You're welcome to place your bets and let's keep it going that way. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go, players. Betting times out. Thank you so much. Highly appreciated. Yeah. Spin is made and let's see what happens. So again, welcome all newcomers. Welcome to our Dreamcatcher. Hello, how are you? How's your day tonight going? Hope you're good. And for now, we have a 7x. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. 7x multiplying the wheel. 7x multiplying the wheel. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Spin is made. So Bob, okay. So how do you think with our 7x multiply will fly to? Do you have a feeling, ladies and gentlemen? And our 7x flies to 20 orange. 7x multiplying 20 orange, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls who have 6.
Yashp, Fafa, Mayed, and GNE. My compliments. Betting time is all yours. Place your bets. So, October bride, did you get married in October? If so, then why did y'all choose October? Bets are closed as your wedding month. Good luck. Is it going to be a 2x? No way, it is! Let's go! Multiplier, ladies and gentlemen. Bonus round! Good luck. What are we getting? 2x multi with? Ooh, imagine if it stands on 7, please! Yeah! Double multi! Let's go! We have already 49x multi. Let's go! Woo! Oh no, not 49. 14x. Don't mind me, I cannot count, okay? I cannot count. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen! 20 orange with 14x multiplier. Congratulations to 87 of you. Fika Boy, Rashadul, Hu, HUY Sins, and Nekos, my compliments. Betting time, place your bets. Wow, what a round! You left? No way! Bets are closed, girl! Come on!
One of our top 5s, 753 euros for the top winner, and betting time is all yours once again. In case of any questions or confusion, please let me know in the chat. Few more seconds now. Bets are closed, thank you. And good luck, see you this time. You were talking about star signs. Look at that beautiful 7x multi has arrived with the very second spin. Let's go for another one, shall we? So remember, your initial bets are staying the same. And good luck, see you. Your initial bets are staying the same because you cannot bet on multis. Alright. Guys, would you look at that 7x multi for the 56 total winners. Ma Boy and DJT is one of our top 5s. 4,000 euros for the top winner. Would you look at that? That's a very beautiful way to start the session. I got very big shoes to fill in for the next 40 minutes or so. That's our close. And good luck to you now. Good luck.
Children, they
living with dream to become a professional CS player. And from now, they have less opportunities. That goes much less. Yeah, for now, I see only couple opportunities for them to become top faced player, but not everyone. Oh, 7X! Ladies and gentlemen, here we go again. So, challenge done. My default one. Each segment catched. So, not every teams. And see, it's not working like you. 40 with 7X. 154 winners and ones.
And gentlemen, of course, special comments to the top winners. Zaki, everyone, and East 140 and Mun. Best of the best. Keep that going, and betting time is open. Oh, we just started this session. I have so many more spins together. I hope that this session is going to be really lucky for you. I bet all of you are getting your big wins on this great Spooky Friday. Good luck. So you have even more reasons to celebrate. But yeah, so far the highest number we had was a 10. Although we can get, ooh, 7X, please, stop. Woo! 7X, ladies and gentlemen! It always scares me. It will never stop scaring me. But hey, let's go. Why are you shaking? Alright, no bets and good luck. And 7X is hitting, ladies and gentlemen, that's happening! 7X on the 40! Woo! That was scary. 120 winners, my congratulations to all of you, especially obviously to V1 with more than 5,000 euros. Woo! $100, also 5,600, let's go! Wow. Oh, the chat is alive. Okay, forward tip, welcome. Yoo-hoo! Good luck. Enjoy betting time. Is open. You're good. I'm pretty sure we had a conversation on a different game. All right, ladies and gentlemen, closing the bets. Oh my lord. Oh my days, guys, you are not ready for this. You are not ready. Let's go for a spin. Good luck. I'm a woman, by the way. I'm a woman. No. Ladies and gentlemen, 7X multiplier. This girl is on fire. At least you know that they do this now. Because myself, I got a heart attack before. I said so. You said what? That I'm good. I got you, Perry. Got you. Ladies and gentlemen. Oh my days. Come on, 40. Oh my days. Heart attack incoming. 99 champions on this beautiful result. And by that, it's my cue to leave. Bye. You too.
Hey guys, Gordon's here, gonna be the new Halloween host for the session. Let's begin. Well, I'm not sure if I can crack that, but we'll see, Good luck, guys.
Probably Bival, Bennington. Who do you have? Probably gonna be Bival for me, yeah. Felt like a draw to me last 2 seconds. I just like the guy more, I guess. That's because I feel like it's by the way, last spin with me, I feel like it's more of a biased opinion off of my side. Good luck. I might poke someone's eye out at Benetton. I see what you did there, Emmy. We are no longer friends. I'm joking. Oh, 7X. I'm not gone just yet, players. Of course, yeah, boy gets another 7X multi. So bonus 3 spin coming up. Bob the Skeleton. Again, shaking up in the corner of the room, man. Never stop shaking. So let's see. 7X multi to end off the session. What is it going to be? Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. Stella is very impatient to be taken over, but man, I'll have to hold it back a little bit. Have a nice break week. Thanks so much, Emmy. I'll definitely try my best. Oh, no way, man. 7x on top of a 7x. So 49x on the next segment. Man, definitely. This is the last thing you would expect. But let's see. 49x on your next segment. Sime, imagine this is going to be a 2 blue. Good luck. Or Nime, I mean, not Sime. Excuse me. Misspelled your name. Imagine if this is the 2 blue you've been looking for the entire night. Huh. 10 green. 490x total. Sheesh. 98 total minutes. Wow, Mash winning $9,000.
Honors. Enjoy, guys. Betting time is all yours. Take your time. No need to rush. Final seconds for you. And then stand. Yes, we have that 2x. Beautiful, guys. That means only one thing, that we are gonna have a respin. Let's see, what are we multiplying? Love the one multiply hits up. It's a really cool chance to increase the payouts. 40. Oh wow. Well, the wheel decides. Let's see what it's gonna be, guys. What are we multiplying here? Do we see 220 and 40 already there? Can I look? Come on. Yes! Yes! We did it! It was... Wow, that was a close one, guys. I was so hyping up for that. Let's do another spin, guys. That was so close. Like in a slow motion. I thought it was going to be 1 at the end of time. And slowly just... No way. No way, guys. No way. 40 with 14x. No way. 15,000 in the first place. Oh my. I can't even explain what I just saw. Bang. This is like jackpot, guys. One of our top 5, so well done. Enjoy it. Betting time is all yours once again. In case of any questions arises, you're more than welcome to use the chat and let me know. I'll try to explain to the best of my abilities. Last seconds, the bets are closed. Thank you. Alright, and good luck to you to stand. What does that mean? I don't know the language, I'm sorry. Look at that! First multiplier of the session is no other than 7x. We're going to spin the wheel one more time, so get ready. Don't worry, no new bets needs to be placed. We're sticking with the ones you have already made. Good luck to you. Let's see what we can multiply. No way! 2x multi for the 7x! I have gotten my very first multi. Let's keep on going. Beautifully done. Let's go. Good luck to you all. This is my first time. Oh no, Derek. 14x multi. Who shall it be? No way! 40 with 14x multiplier, 72 winners, DGT, Kostyan, Henry, you are the top 3. My days! Betting this, guys, I don't know how we managed to pull that one. I have no idea. Bets are close, thank you. Wow, that was...
This Kieran, STTinjured TV, enjoying thanks for playing. I wish the very best in the show. So loot win is not just about 1s and 2s, it's about 5s and double digits as well. Alright, then let's pump the wheel. Let's see what we're going to get this time. Last seconds and wish the best. Nice brakes, better cars. Cars only have brakes. I don't think wheel has a brake. It just reduces the speed. Let's see where the flapper will stop right now. Where could it... Maybe? We are actually going to get a 7x multiplier. The moment we've been all waiting for, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. Look how Scouting is right now so excited. So we finally managed to get a multiplier once and for all. I was waiting for that moment for so long. Woo, let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Good luck, everybody. Let's see what we're going to get this time. Lulu. Set her up. Maybe let's get another multiplier. Imagine if we're going to get... No way. We're going to get another 7x multiplier at 49x, ladies and gentlemen. Believe it or not. How is that possible? Oh my, ladies and gentlemen. I can't remember when was the last time it happened, but let's pump the wheel again. We're at 49x multiplier. Woo! Let's see what we're going to get this time. Come on! Oh my. I'm also very excited to see what we're going to get. We managed to get back-to-back 7x multipliers. Back-to-back. And we managed to get 20 orange. 20 orange. 157 winners in channel, 247. Enjoy the channel. Thanks so much for playing. Wish you the absolute best next channel. Happy Halloween, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Halloween. Wow, what a day to be here, right? What a day. Last seconds. Bets are closed. What?
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.